notice you have a Phillips head screw right here along the front. So I'm just going to remove that screw. Pull this down. Disconnect the wiring. There's a little squeeze tab right where my thumb is. Squeeze that. Pull this down. Next, you're going to notice there's mounting screws. 1, 2, and all the way in the back. Right here where my finger is 3. We're going to remove all 3 of those. I'm using my 8mm, by the way. Okay, grab your blower, give it a little wiggle. There it is. Awesome. So we've got our brand new TRQ blower motor here. Bring it right in. So now we're just going to reconnect the cable for the blower motor. You got your little clippy-do there. Gonna slide right in there.